Ito's in a gold. So brushed is from the brand Givingtreehome. And at first glance, it seems very elegant, but when you see it in space, really changes the feel of the bathroom by giving it a warm and refined luxury feel without losing functionality of day-to-day life, which is what we want. This screen is, well, it has doors, semi-framed and double glass, with a design designed to glide smoothly. Every time you enter or leave the cell, the system uses reinforced rails and precision rollers, which makes the movement very quiet. And durable is ideal for daily family use. The glass is made of tempered safety glass. D1 Quattrine. That meets the standards. Well, they require and offers great resistance without sacrificing clarity, nor the aesthetics, which is what we wanted. This means that you can enjoy a brighter and more open bathroom because I have a window that lets in a light. Impressive. And so without that feeling of falling in a small cubicle, installation is quite simple. If you have no experience, well, the truth is that it comes with all the necessary components and a visual assembly guide. As I always say, it really is super easy to assemble. You simply have to measure what it measures, your mirror or wall to wall, wherever you want to put it, and cut off what's left over because always the comes longer, and adjust it to the size that you have. Then the gold finish. Brushing adds that special touch that makes even the everyday, like a shower or a relaxing bath after a long day, feels a little more elegant. Then a shooter se carry one on each glass. Are round. Not only are they beautiful, but they also work as a bar to hang the towel. Something practical that never survives in a bathroom. Screws everything superbly. And finally, it gets silicone. We have made it transparent. And well, look at the result. Then that's it, eh? I test and no water comes out. The truth is that we are super happy for us an update like this. It's not just aesthetics, it's a way to make our spaces work better and join us in what we value most, which is comfort, beauty, and quality in everyday life. So I'm going to leave you with some beautiful images. I will also leave you the link in the description box with a discount I have for all of you. And look what I found, and this is already a plus. For this bathroom, I would only have to change the faucet. And maybe I don't rule out changing the tiles. But that's for the moment. This is perfect. I'm not in love that forever. There is no dirty man. For my strike now down. I can't see you down. Save me from loneliness, save me from boredom. I am done at your will.